Hi everybody, Chuck here, Bob Assault today, coming to you from the Contractor Lounge here at Link Outdoor Lighting. I want to talk to you about Lutron. Yes, we have had Lutron Caséta for a couple years now. Great product. Everybody's got it. Home Depot. We've been very competitive on price, but we know your challenge because the customers can go into Home Depot and see the same thing. Well, guess what? We've got RA2 Select, which is the next level, and it's not in any box stores, so they can't find pricing. We're real competitive, guys, with any place, anywhere else you're going to buy it, and we've got it in stock, and we know how to use it. Now, here's a big thing. In case you don't know the difference between RA2 Select and Caseta, number one, they're not compatible, so you can't. You could add on, but you'd be just adding an additional system. The RA2 Select, here's the best part about it, the range is much greater. So if you've had problems in the past connecting switches or dimming modules and transformers that wouldn't get the signal, this solves that problem. And they actually even include repeaters, and you can use a number of these repeaters to move the signal on out the distance that you need it to reach. The most important advance is they now have a receptacle, a controlled receptacle. Before, with Caseta, you had to put in a switch. The switch controlled the receptacle. Now you can skip all that and just change out the receptacle, get the new system, which is, by the way, it's a new Pro Bridge. We've got it in a kit form with switches and some of the other things you need, which is probably the most economical way to buy it. But for the guys that have had problems getting connectivity, this solves it. Gives you astronomical timing. That's simple. But it also gives you Geo Fencing, which is the coolest thing ever. So when your customer comes home late at night after the system is shut off, it'll turn it on automatically. It's really cool. So we've got all this in stock. It's a great product. It is the next level. It's more professional grade than anything you've used before. I urge you to give us a call. I wouldn't say I'm a genius expert at it, but I'm pretty good at it now. I'm pretty good at making Caseta work. The problem is, and we were always nervous when we sold it because there was a lot of setup and a lot of trial and error to get the connectivity on long distances. This eliminates that challenge. So call us first, and like us on Twitter and Facebook and all of that stuff. Thanks for your time.